What's up, everybody? It's Nick Razor with the SoCal 420 report. It is the beginning of October, October 1st, as a matter of fact. And got a nice little show, quick little show for you today. So let's get to it. So I found these really cool papers. They're called rips. And these rips, is that upside down? No. Is it right side up? They're called rips. And it's basically a roll that you pull out. And the reason why I'm having them, or I got them today, is because they're mint. I can't find mint papers anywhere. But I finally found them in the form of this little rips roll at the Outer Limits on Coast Highway. So if anyone local is watching and you want to know where to get mint papers, get them at the Outer Limits. By the way, I also got, I've also found my bamboo. I don't know if anybody else smokes or uses bamboo papers, but that's where I find mine, is at the Outer Limits. All right, so I wanted to just say about there's brand new members in Club 454. These are the very first members, and I'd like to give a shout out. First members, the official first members of Club 454. Now, if you want to be a member, and you want to get your membership, send me a self-addressed stamped envelope with $1 in it, and I will send you some swag along with this official 454 membership sticker. You can be part of the beginning of this brand new club. I also have these hats available. It's the first things that I've made, and besides the stickers. So if you want a hat, $20, and contact me, razorweed777@yahoo.com, and we'll get you outfitted with a. All right, so I wanted to tell you, I was reading the marijuana news in the north end of West Hollywood. You can go to Lowells Cafe, and it's the very first legally licensed canna restaurant and smoking lounge. Now, you can order edible cannabis, infused food and drinks, right? They do not have any alcohol there. There is no alcohol served there at all. Don't you hate when your fucking joint goes out? But you can get juice, coffee, and tea. So you can buy weed to get to your table, and they'll bring it to you to roll at your table, roll a joint, and smoke it before, during, or after you're eating. But you can't take anything home with you. They are a licensed dispensary. You can buy a big selection, but you cannot take anything out the door, or to-go dishes or anything else. Their dishes range from $9 to $23. Most of them are vegan friendly. And here's the thing. You can bring your own weed into the establishment to smoke, but they're going to charge you a tax, a $20, what's called a toke age fee. I don't get it. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that tax is all about, the $20 or whatever, but it's probably a workaround for some legality or something like that. I want you to notice one last thing before I go. I want you to notice the dichotomy between San Diego County and Los Angeles County. They have places where you can already go and hang out and smoke with your buds, right? Here in San Diego, they're still fighting. We are still in need of a good place to get good meds, good quality meds, especially here in the North County. I'm talking about Oceanside, Vista, San Marcos, Carlsbad, Escondido, all of these places. The city governments are clogging up the system. They are stopping us from acquiring or from having access to good quality medication. I think it's time that we, the people, spoke up and made them understand that there are sick people out here who need cannabis, and you can't keep stonewalling us. So there you have it. No one has put any bids in on the auction, so it's still going on. It's still open. $1 starts the auction. Razorweed777@yahoo.com. You have 4 more days to put in bids. All right, everybody. Have fun and smoke well.